Good morning. Good morning. It's Friday. It's Friday, June 28th, 2024. It is Friday. Yay. Anyway, how are you guys doing? Welcome. Welcome to Lunar Beats Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon. Yeah. So, the U.S. is screwed. I watched that, call it a debate, I guess. Oh, man. I don't even know. I've got a lot of thoughts. I don't think it's any secret that I don't like either of these guys. But, yeah. So, yeah. I don't know. I'm just like, there can't be one single adversary of ours that doesn't watch last night and isn't like, oh, they're incredibly weak. Because they've got these two guys, these two grandpas out here. Anyways, hey, it's Friday. Yeah, so Fear and Greed is sitting at a 46, same as it was yesterday. So no change there. I did not mean to click on this. My ears still hurt. I might have to do more alcohol in them. I was underwater yesterday for a solid 5 hours. My ears hurt from, I guess they're waterlogged. I don't know. But it was not fun. Speaking of ears hurting. Okay, had to take the headphones off. Good morning, BC Port Corp, aka Blackie Chan. Yo, Justin Eubanks, and hello, Hodstore. Oh, and Reapers, Creepers, and Delta Chai. Okay. Good morning, everybody. How are y'all doing? So yeah, Fear and Greed, no change. Let's go over to the chart. This is from yesterday, and I don't know if we're getting front run on this trade. We'll just have to see, but it kind of looks like we might be getting front run on this trade. This is something I know I have seen plenty of times. I don't know if it's going to break out or not, but it's getting to look a little ready to go. I think today we're going to start our trend. As soon as we put in that higher high, it's good. It's good. Put in a higher high and we are good. Good to go. Just come up here, take out this high. Back test. No swing failure pattern. Continuation. Let's go. I want to see it. What do you guys think? I want to see it. I'm waiting on today's economic news before I take any trades. Yeah, we've got the core PCE today. I'm not sure what time. I want to say 8:30. Come on. Yep, 8:30. So about an hour and 40 minutes, we'll get there. I would be safe. Be safe during that. I know yesterday it was a little bit of little lackluster, right? Didn't really get a whole lot of movement off of the economic data. I did say that the final GDP usually isn't as volatile. The unemployment claims came in a little under, so the market was just kind of like, I don't know. But I don't know, man. It's kind of crazy. This move right here, this move right here happened during the debate last night. Not real sure why, if anything, other than just a liquidity grab. I don't know. God, I'm sorry. My ear really hurts. So yeah, core PCE, that's the inflation stuff. We can go ahead and read on it. How are you guys doing? Why is this? I'm not trying to do this. I'm trying to. Oh, here we go. Like a chain, it says rate cuts sooner than later, looking more and more possible if you put all the data together. Things are a lot worse than they've made it seem. Yeah. So, the core PCE measures the change in the price of goods and services purchased by consumers, excluding food and energy. Differs from core CPI in that it only measures goods and services targeted towards and consumed by individuals. Prices are weighted according to total expenditure per item, which gives important insights into consumer spending behavior. CPI is released about 10 days earlier and tends to garner most of the attention. So the data, economic data this week hasn't been that crazy. Just really hasn't. So we're kind of just waiting. Federal Reserve has almost no liquidity left. Me and Piper were talking about that last night. Federal Reserve has almost no. I don't even know what that statement means. Federal Reserve literally prints money. You mean before they print money? Yep. I don't know. Hey, that's good though. Less liquidity means no. It's not good. Yeah, for our assets, we need the liquidity to be there, right? We need inflation to go up because it inflates our assets. Oh, my ear really hurts. Good morning, Alex or Crypto. As an outsider, what do you think about our two geriatrics? Win golf LBC. I didn't expect the most contentious part of the debate to be about each other's golf games. That's funny. He's gonna start World War III, and he can't even drive at 50 yards. What the heck? What are we doing, people? Why? Why are we doing this to ourselves? Everybody's like, who won the debate? And I'm like, friggin' no one. None of us. Pathetic. Almost as bad as Canada. Oh, man. I don't understand. Dot got some movement yesterday. Look at that. It's looking like it's going for some more. This is a nice accumulation bottom in here. Push higher. How are our alts doing? What's ADA doing? Trying to survive? ADA's trying to survive. Fetch.ai. Still taking a dive off of the Coinbase news, which I don't understand why Coinbase isn't taking care of the migration process for Fetch and Ocean. Actually, I don't know if Ocean is even on Coinbase. Maybe that's why. Maybe, I don't know. Probably has something to do with Ocean. We think Ocean is a security. I don't know. I don't know. I've lived in the UK and Australia. They're all messed up. Yeah. It is what it is. You know, we're getting to a point to where I think the people might need to just govern themselves. Crypto can help lead us into that type of future because code is law. And code must have, well, if we pick the right blockchain, code must have consensus. So, get our governance tokens, and then we can make decisions, right? We can vote, all that stuff. Vote. I saw something about Ethereum. There may be a problem with Ethereum not having, with the ETFs, not having some kind of staking option. I didn't look too much into it, but yeah. High Saturn soon crypto. Kalichi Agucha. That's why we crypto and get freedom, then buy a hut in the mountains. A hut? I prefer log cabin. So what I'm hearing is the West all around is screwing things up. I've just wanted to go to the best performing places in the West. I don't know. That's I think you're reading a little too much into it. Yeah, I mean, politics is getting a little cray. I don't know. I I love people. I love people. A lot of people don't love people, but I love people. And I love I love humans. And I think we're all doing the best that we can to the best of our abilities, trying our hardest. And there's some people that are taking advantage of others, you know. And yeah, I just I don't know. I don't know where I was going with that. I'm still like super tired, by the way, in case you couldn't tell, with my very lively voice today. Very lively. Bro, answer me this. Cellmatic? I hope not. Why would you sell Matic? I've been looking at it as a favorable long. What in the world? Oh. Oh. Oh, forever and ever? Is that what I'm doing here? Oh. What is this? What is this? Cellmatic? What? I might bring this a little lower. Because these equal lows down here. But this was my original. But these equal lows. Ugh. Afternoon, all you sexy beaches. Good morning, Mark Dutch. Good afternoon, I should say, actually. Lunar, do some altcoin TAs. Don't. Why are you. What's up? Check H bar, please. Wunderbar. How are you doing? Wunderbar. Hey, look at this. All right. Do some altcoins, please. Do y'all have ones you want me to look at? Oh, yeah. H bar. You just said H bar. I like H bar. Oh, my God. I'm so sunburnt. I'm sunburnt. My ears are waterlogged. It's not good. It's not good. It's not. Can you see it? Sunburnt. Ooh, I don't know if this one will turn into a tan. It usually does. God, my ear hurts. Um, can't think straight. Put this on log. All right, let's see. Pulled up our fixed range volume profile. Apparently, I clicked the horizontal ray. So yeah, we do have a little bit of a. Oh my God, Rune Cass. Okay, calm down, Jesus. Market Oracle. We're above the trend assist here. We are red. No, I'm gonna get rid of this real quick. Yeah, it's yeah, we could see a little more downside. Come down to the POC down here at about 6 cents on H bar 061. Yeah, I would just wait. Today I'm just waiting for the PCE, and I'm gonna see how things go. If we start getting some trending, it is the last Friday of the month of the half of the quarter, and so yeah, I'm just looking for some trendy action. This is on the daily. If I come down to the hourly, so basically I'm just looking to start putting in higher highs and higher lows. That's what I'm looking for on pretty much all of these coins, is just some hold price and then to start putting in some higher highs and higher lows. For H bar, I really would like to see it get over this 0.84, get over that 0.84 cents right there, and then yeah, things would start looking really good for that. We have a lot of highs that we can come up and start taking out. I'm doing things a little bit different with my trading. I am adding to winning trades. So that is just a me thing, something that I've started doing. So I would like to see H bar get above 8 cents first. We're sitting at 0.787. So we need to get above this right here at 0.81. That'll give us a new high. Get a pullback, and then a continuation. That'll give us our higher low, and then another higher high, and things are looking pretty good on that. Pretty good on the H bar. Then I would just be looking for us to get above this 50 percentile. This whole range is, yeah, I like it. I like it. So we could get up into here. This is where I would start looking above 12, 0.126. Above that is where I would urge a little bit of caution, just because we did have a massive sell-off there. So yeah, this whole area is something to watch with H bar. Just be alert when price reaches this area. If price reaches this area. Let's see. I hope it gets better soon. A sunburn is an unpleasant thing. Yeah, for sure. Thank you. Honestly, the sunburn isn't what's bothering me the most. It's my ear. The sunburn, it'll probably hurt when I work in the sun today. but my ear, God, it's more annoying than anything. Caspa on Mexi. I've been doing some drawing on this apparently. Let's see. So yeah, came down, held this downsloping resistance, flipped into support, right? So we got the breakout, came back down, held it for support, pushed back up into this area where we sold off from, and now we got a nice back test. Yeah, well, back test, bounce. Hopefully some continuation. Let's go ahead and throw up some Market Dynamics Pro. Do have some order blocks below us. What am I on? The 4 hour? Okay. My ear really hurts. What are we doing over here? Pull a range. We are in premium, so it's a little tough This one is a little high right now. It's been smoking a lot of dubs. It's really high. Throw on a super trend, see how we're looking on that. We are green on our super trend, so with the trailing stop sitting at 16.6, 0.166. Maybe it'll get down here to this high order block. I don't know. Bro, I am seriously struggling to even think right now. Like, it's kind of wild. It's not good. All I can think about is my ear. So yeah, we're sitting on top of the POC right here. We're building. This looks like it wants to just continue. Continuation. Do have some resistance here, of course, right? That is what we are fighting against right now. So this is what Caspa needs to get against, or needs to break above. We already broke above this over here. So we've got to get above here. We got to get above 0.19. We got to get above 0.193, and then we can think about some continuation. Right now, it's sitting at the highs, so it's not something I would personally be longing right now. I would wait for either a pullback and then continuation. I could see a head and shoulders form in here, possibly. Could see head and shoulders form in here. So I would like to see that get above this, or get this pullback and then get above it. Either way, I want to get above that 19.3 and wait to see if we get a pullback for a possible head and shoulders in here. Also, nice cup and handle could round out that cup and handle, and then Caspa could get going. So that's what I would be looking at on Caspa. Be careful, sunburn could be dangerous, amigo. I know it's not a STD, USTD, but still, wear protection. Yeah. I mean, I've worked outside for 20 years, so I don't know. You usually get one sunburn, and then it turns tan, and then I just keep getting darker. That's usually how it goes. That's why I'm like, sunburn ain't really anything. The ear, though, it is really bothering the crap out of me. So, yeah, Caspa, I would just wait for the break of this high. But right now, because we're sitting at the highs, so we want to turn that resistance into support. So seeing it break above and then pull back, some kind of pullback, and then longing from that pullback is something that, that's what I would be looking to do. Okay? Or the pullback down to here, of course. I'm so glad I got tint to my skin. I've never had a sunburn in my life and never used sunscreen. That's awesome. That is awesome. I wish I could say the same. What else did we have? We had Rune. Ooh. It looks like a distribution top if I've ever seen one in my life. Head and shoulders. Neckline. If it breaks down from here, watch out. From the tip of the head to the neckline. Breakout. $1.23. Coming down here to sweep these lows. It's possible. It's possible. Especially when you have a head and shoulders looking like that. What I would look for is for this to break down. Well, let me get rid of what I would look for is for this to break down and then back test. No matter how small, I mean, it could be like this, right? The main thing is breakout, back test, continuation. So, yeah, I don't know. This one, Rune looks kind of crazy. It is the 4 hour, but this looks like a distribution top. But I did not connect my lows here correctly. So let me correct that real quick. There's our head and shoulders. There's our breakdown. It's already happened. I would look for a pop-up, possibly, and then continuation. Let's get another target on here, since I did have that messed up. My apologies. Come on. Come on. Thank you. Measured move from the breakout, breakdown. And then we have $1.70. We can pull a fixed range volume profile. We can see we do have a POC down here. We have lost the value area high. So that is something that I would want to see, or I would be expecting. I'd be expecting more downside. Getting back above that value area high at $5.87 would be key to turning this thing around. But for now, yeah, this looks like a distribution top to me. And it looks like it's gonna distribute. You know what I mean? It looks like it's gonna distribute. I'd share my melanin if I could. I'd prefer melatonin. Yeah. No, you don't prefer melatonin. You prefer chloroform. We know how you do, Mark Tides. Hide your ribs. I mean, lock your ribs. Hide your ribs. So yeah, Runes isn't. It's looking kind of toppy. Just to be honest, it's not looking good. Maybe it can come back up and touch this, give it a little fake out above the neckline here, and then shoop. Yeah, I could definitely see that. Melatonin just gives me headaches and makes me grumpy. That's funny. That means you probably go to sleep pretty well without anything. Usually when you have stuff that your body's like, I don't really need this. Why are you giving it to me? You know, it makes you grumpy, right? Market Oracle. Yep. We're below our dynamic reactor. So don't really need much else on this one. This is it right here. That's it. Runes is an iffy play. A lot of Bitcoin miners just use it to supplement income lost. I mean, it looks freaking. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It had a retrace to the 50. Come back down. Oh yeah. Let's pull all of this and see what we got. Yeah. I don't know, guys. We do have this volume node here at 296, so we could look for that to hold, but you see where most of the volume is down here. So, yeah, I don't really. It's not looking good for Runes. It's not looking good for Runes. It can turn around, but it's not looking good. Let's see. Now we're talking about the arrow that's like 2 cents, right? Not Aerodome, but not Aerodrome, but the other one. Aerodrome, no. I don't even know, where can I look at it? Arrow is a dying bass play. No, I think you're thinking of Aerodrome. They're talking about something else. Arrow Protocol. That's what it is. Arrow Protocol. Right? 0.7. There's two arrows and it's confusing, so that's the only arrow I know. Coin market cap. Any day now. Internet. Any day now. Thank you. Ba ba ba. Ba 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 ba. Ba da. Nah, arrow USDT. Okay. Whatever you say. Yes, sir. Or ma'am. 71 cents? 0.7? Okay. All right. Yeah, this looks about dead. I might need to get rid of my bag. Actually, this kind of does look like an ABC correction of a much larger move. Interesting. Let's pull a fixed range volume profile. Ooh. Don't like that. Don't like that. Might need some help on this one. Might need some help. Let's check out the not market cipher B. See what we're looking at on this one. Ooh, money flows deep in the red on the daily. Money just keeps coming out. Let's go down to the 4 hour. See if we have any hopes of some possible reversal action in here. I mean, yeah, maybe. Let's see. Let's pull up a fixed range volume profile on this range. We could see this push up to $1.09, but after that, I think it might die. Push up to that $1.09. Big area where we sold off from. We had some consolidation before the big sell-off. So, yeah, this one does not look good. Let's take in a little more here. Oh, it's even below the value area on that. Take in from here. Below the POC. Man. Wow. This does not look good. I'm gonna have to take my loss on that one. My goodness. All right, maybe we can have some hope. Maybe. I don't know. What we would want to see is us get above this downtrend here, of course. If I trying to get as many tops as possible, or highs, I should say. As many highs as possible. We did break above this and get a nice little back test. So maybe it'll give us some relief, but man, I don't know. This one does not look good. I really need to start seeing some decent movement out of this, or it's kind of dead to rights. We've got all this volume in this level here, and all it's been doing is dropping off. Man, our money flows in the red. Everything, momentum is below the zero line. VWAP is barely above the zero line. I mean, yeah, I don't know. This is something I don't know. Of course, as soon as I say this is something I would probably get out of, it's going to do something like this, right? Yeah, it does look like a completed ABC. So what I would think is that it would do an ABC to the upside. Maybe something like this. Maybe not that to that extent. Maybe something like this, where it gets a retrace, right? And then we continue lower for an even larger A, B, C. And then we would get a B, C. This is probably the most bullish I see this. This is the most bullish I could see this playing out. Not about the price, but about the market structure. This is the most bullish I could see this possibly playing out. In my opinion, not financial advice. This doesn't look good for Arrow. That's what I gotta say. Does not look good for the Arrow. If that's not Aerodrome, I think a lot of people got into it thinking it was. In the name of the Messiah. What? Projects do that a lot to catch the movements of another project. Yeah, that's true. All I know is that other people, when I was talking about Aerodrome, they were talking about something completely different. It seemed like, because Aerodrome was sitting here at 70 cents and the other Arrow was at like 2. So I don't know. I think the other one might be a DeFi play. I don't know. 622. All right. Was that good for you guys? I don't get a lot of requests, I should say. There we go. I don't get a lot of requests. So, and I look almost predominantly at Bitcoin. So, Arrow is the base liquidity for at base. Is it? What do you mean the base liquidity? Anyway. Yeah, so I think then yes, Arrow is an iffy play. I think I need to do some alcohol in my ears before I go to work. So I need to hop off. I need to go ahead and hop off. So yeah. I appreciate you all for being here. I hope you all have an amazing Friday. It's DEX, not base liquidity. Okay. Yeah. Going back to Bitcoin, I'm thinking we see continuation today to the upside. Start getting that trend put in. We are going into the weekend. You know how weekends can be very low volume, very boring. So just be aware of that. Just be aware that we could see some choppiness over the weekend. It's possible maybe we can get some movement today to the upside, and then we do some chopping right here, somewhere around here in this area where we would have some resistance, chop about, and then come Sunday evening, going into Monday, maybe we get that continuation. So that is what I'm looking for. I want to see some bullish price movement, you know, less chop, more impulse. That is what I want to see. Less chop, more impulse. Give us some good price movement. But yeah. Yeah. I like it. I like it. We have our momentum shifting to the upside. We have our money flow getting a little thin on the red side. So that's good. We want to see it pop up to the upside. Nothing has changed with open interest. Nothing has changed on that. Just waiting for that breakout, man. Just waiting for that breakout. So, yeah. But, yeah. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate each and every single one of you. Hope you all have a great weekend. We're going to wrap up June, start Monday in July in the second quarter, where I think we should see some, or third quarter rather, where I think we should see some nice bullish price action. We'll see. But yeah, thank you guys for being here. I hope you all have an amazing, wonderful, radical day. Ride the waves. Peace out. Go watch Piper Academy at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time and watch Alex O'Crypto this evening or this afternoon at 2 p.m. 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Love you guys. Bye.